Members of the Royal Grenada Police Force are on a manhunt for Grenadian national Jimmy Braveboy, who resided on the island of Trinidad, who allegedly re-entered the country illegally on Saturday. A report issued by police says Braveboy, a resident of New Hampshire, St. George, recently entered the island of Pittimatnik via a fishing vessel. He later traveled via the Osprey line to mainland Grenada and failed to adhere to quarantining procedures on entry into the country. Minister for Health Nicholas Steele made the announcement on Tuesday during government weekly post-cabinet briefing.
His family is from the New Hampshire area. He is still at large, and we're asking individuals who may have information to come forward to the next police station or health center. The individual apparently came in on Saturday, from the information we have, via a vessel or speedboat to Carriacou, then to Grenada.
Steele says Grenada continued to see a growth in the number of persons entering the country illegally, a risky practice that can result in a massive COVID-19 outbreak.
We are constantly at threat. Individuals are constantly trying to circumnavigate and get around the various restrictions that we put in place to keep us safe and them safe. But still, some individuals try to breach it or believe that they are above it. So we are constantly at risk. Someone successfully came into Grenada illegally from a country where there is right now a significant outbreak of COVID-19.
Though the information surrounding the individual is still vague, the minister explains that more information will be made public by the RGPF when it comes at hand.
It is with respect to the name and pictures, and so I leave that to the RGPF to do as they proceed, because the tip-off came through the RGPF. We have been informed because, as always in these instances, there is a medical risk or medical situation, epidemiological risk here, and therefore the CMO and his team are on alert.
Meanwhile, in an unrelated matter, the authorities is also addressing an instance where a Grenada national with U.S. citizenship came to Grenada with a document with an alleged forged date of his vaccination in order to qualify for the 2 days quarantine protocol.
It's a male individual who has Grenadian as well as U.S. citizenship, and when he came in, he forged the date, or we know for a fact that he forged the date at which he got vaccinated in order to qualify for the 48-hour quarantine period, and we are investigating as to whether he forged the entire document or not. That person is in quarantine.
A bill to amend the Immigration Act, Cap 145, was passed in the House of Representatives last Friday and goes before the Senate on Wednesday to increase the maximum penalty for illegal immigration and expand the ambit of offenses. An increase from $10,000 to $12,000 is the proposed change, as the penalty for individuals who refuse to give information or fail to comply with any requests under the Act and knowingly falsifies information. These individuals include any captain of a vessel, crew member, or passenger. For GBN News, I am Rena Pear Thomas reporting.